Think about your morning routine for a second. Before you head out into the field, you probably grab your coffee, right? And then you check your daily dispatch to know exactly where you need to be and who you're talking to today. Well, opening the Dynamics 365 Sales mobile app is exactly like that for a modern sales professional. As your senior IT instructor helping you gear up for your AB-210 exam, I can tell you this. This app is literally your mobile command center.
In this explainer, we are going to step through a complete day in the life of a field seller. We'll cover the mobile homepage, using the navigation bar, viewing your meetings, meeting details and participants, managing regarding records, and finally, searching and filtering records.
Section 1, the mobile homepage and high-level meeting insights.
Think of your homepage like a quick morning huddle with your manager. It gives you exactly the high-level updates you need to start your shift without the fluff. When you first launch the app, you're greeted with this incredibly clean layout of widgets. It's designed so you never have to go digging through complex menus while you're standing in a lobby. Right there on your screen, you'll see your recent items. These are the contacts, records, and notes you've touched recently. And the best part? These sync seamlessly across your platforms, whether you were working on your desktop yesterday or you're on your phone right now.
It breaks the data down into really digestible chunks: recent contacts, recent records you've updated, and recent notes. Plus, the System Assistant pushes up to 3 reminders and 3 insight action cards directly to you. But hey, pay close attention to this next part for your AB-210 exam. You see that Up Next widget? The strict system logic there is that it only shows meetings containing at least one participant from outside your organization. It purposefully filters out your internal catch-ups so you stay laser-focused on your external client engagements.
Moving to Section 2, using the navigation bar for app navigation basics.
You can think of the navigation bar parked at the bottom of your screen like the steering wheel of your car. It's how you drive between different sales functions. Let's break down these buttons from left to right. The home icon returns you to the home page. The search icon lets you hunt for system records. That plus sign, that's your add button for rapidly creating new records or contacts right from the field. Meetings pulls up your calendar. And more options opens the sitemap so you can get to any area of the sales hub. Mastering this steering wheel is what lets you move quickly, feeding the real-time data that ultimately powers all your AI-enhanced workflows.
Section 3 is viewing your meetings and calendar access. If the homepage is your morning huddle, tapping that meetings icon is like flipping open a classic pocket planner, except this one is dynamically linked to your entire CRM database. While your home screen just gives you that immediate Up Next meeting, the calendar gives you the wide view. You can view meetings simply by tapping specific dates. Now, here is a really important system rule. If a day has no scheduled meetings, nothing is displayed. The interface stays completely clean. And to drill into the details, you just tap the meeting right there on the calendar.
Next up, Section 4, meeting details and participants and how you prep for meetings.
Opening a meeting record isn't just about checking what time it starts. It's like reading a comprehensive briefing dossier before stepping into a massive corporate pitch. At the top, you get the basics: subject, location, time. But here is a technical constraint you definitely need to memorize for the AB-210 exam. Under the participants section, the mobile app displays a maximum of 5 meeting participants, along with their RSVP status. Need to remember exactly who someone is before you shake their hand? Just tap their name to launch a quick view of their contact record. It's that easy.
Section 5, managing regarding records and connecting your meetings to records.
This concept is absolutely central to how Dynamics 365 Sales operates. Imagine you have a printed meeting agenda and you physically slip it inside a specific Manila client folder. You are essentially telling the system this meeting belongs to this project. That is a regarding record. It specifies exactly what the meeting is about: an opportunity, a lead, a contact, or an account. Think about pitching a fleet of hybrid cars. The meeting is just a time slot, but when you attach the hybrid car opportunity as the regarding record, you structure the data. This is the exact foundation that allows Copilot in Sales to understand context and actually generate guided insights for you.
Let's look at the related content right inside the meeting details. Let's say our meeting is officially regarding a $1 million hybrid car deal. Because we attach that regarding record, the meeting automatically pulls in the timeline, the AI insights, and all related tables. It's a game changer. You instantly get a complete 360-degree view of what the meeting is actually about, ensuring you walk into the room totally equipped.
On your mobile device, you have 4 distinct actions you can take on these regarding records. You can view them, meaning you open the attached record to make quick field edits. You can change it,
Let's say if the client pivots and the meeting is suddenly about a totally different product line, you can add one if the meeting was scheduled bare without an attachment, and you can disconnect it, stripping the record away completely if it's no longer relevant.
And finally, Section 6, searching and filtering records to locate information quickly. Look, field sellers are constantly on the move. You can think of the search function like a rapid stock lookup scanner used in retail. You need instant answers while you're standing in a client's lobby. When you tap Search, suggested records pop up dynamically as you type. And notice how smart the output is. If you search for a company like Contoso, it doesn't just give you a messy text dump. It categorizes everything by table. Your Contoso accounts are separated from your Contoso contacts. You can tap a record directly or just hit See All to expand the category.
The underlying logic here is wonderfully simple. User query flows into table categorization, which produces a filtered output. You type in raw text, the Dynamics 365 service processes it against your system tables, and it hands you back structured, actionable pipeline results in milliseconds.
But hey, what if you search something broad and get hundreds of hits? Right next to your total results count is a filter icon. Tap that, and you can narrow down massive lists by relevant record owners or specific record types. You can even filter by when a record was created or modified. It's all about pinpointing the exact data you need, exactly when you need it.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a question to chew on. How will connecting your mobile meetings to specific regarding records actually accelerate your AI pipeline? Remember, an AI assistant is truly only as intelligent as the context you feed it. By mastering these mobile basics, searching quickly, navigating the app, and linking your meetings to the right records, you are feeding Copilot the clean, structured data it needs to help you drive revenue. Keep that exact technical logic in mind as you prep for your AB-210 exam.